Hi students, now we will solve a fifth problem, that is a 4-pole shunt motor takes 22.5 ampere from 250 volt supply. RA, that is armature resistance, is 0.5 ohms and shunt resistance is 125 ohms. The armature is wave wound with 300 conductors. If the flux per pole is 0.02 Webers, calculate speed, torque developed and power. Right? So again, in this problem, first write down what are the given quantities. 4 pole, P equals to 4, and the motor takes a current of 22.5. Always motor is connected at load side, right? So therefore whatever current is there, that will be your IL. IL is equals to 22.5. Next they are given voltage 250, V equals to 250, RA is equals to 0.5, RSH is equals to 125, and it is wave wounded, therefore A equals to 2. With 300 conductors, Z is equals to 300, right? And they are given flux 0.02 Webers, that is phi is equals to 0.02. Calculate speed, torque developed TA, and power P. Right? So already we solved these kind of problems, right? So in order to calculate speed, first we require back EMF. Therefore let us calculate back EMF first, right? So these are your given quantities, right? So P equals to 4, A equals to 2, P equals to 250, IL equals to 22.5, RA equals to 0.5, RSH is equals to 125, Z equals to 300, phi equals to 0.02 Webers. We need to calculate speed, torque, power, right? So again from this figure what we need to calculate? First we need to calculate IA, that is ISH is equals to V by RSH. We will get ISH is equals to 2 ampere. Once we get the value of IL, ISH, then we can calculate IA. Why we need to calculate IA? Because it is required here. EB equals to V minus IARA. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಮೇಚರ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ EMF ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ, right? Therefore we got IA is equals to 20.5. 22.5 minus 2, we will get 20.5, right? Substitute here 250, 20.5 and 0.5. We will get EB is equals to 239.75 back EMF. Once we get the value of back EMF, then we can calculate speed using the equation of back EMF. Phi Z NP divided by 60 A. Substitute the values of back EMF. Phi 0.02, Z 300, P equals to 4, A equals to 2, because it is wave wounded. Then we can easily calculate the value of N. N equals to 1198.75. Next we need to calculate torque. The equation for torque is what? 159. If you write, the unit will be Newton per meter. If you are going to use 0.016, that is 0.016, then the unit will be kg meter. Here I have used 0.159, therefore it will be Newton meter, right? 0.159, phi Z IA P by A. We know the value of phi Z IA P and A. Substitute all the values, you will get torque is equals to 39.114 Newton meter. Next, in order to calculate power, we know the equation for power. P is equals to 2 pi n TA divided by 60. TA is nothing but total torque. Substitute that, and we know speed. Substitute the value of speed, right? So we can get P is equals to 4910.09 watts or 4.9 kilowatts. This is one method. Or you can also calculate power as the multiplication of voltage and current, that is EB and IA, back EMF and armature current. If you substitute that, you will get the voltage as, power as 4.9 kilowatts. Both are same. You can use this method or this method, right? Yes.